Good night, baby. I'll come get you tomorrow. Maybe you'll wake up a nice bird. Not a chance. I have decided that it wasn't very fair that Bucky was going to get isolated because he was getting bullied. I've decided that we're going to start off with a few nights of isolation for Pecky. I'm setting up his VIP suite. You hear that? It's VIP. Very irritating person. You'll be fine, I promise. I walk out for a second, I come back in and I'm like, oh my god, where is he? He's flown inside, on his own, to nest. See, I told you this is VIP. You know, as much as you're a prick, you're really smart.